Hello, Ciara. I hope you're well. Awesome that you're making so much progress there on the program. I think if you're doing so well at the spider exercise, two things that will bring you on even more. When you're moving your fingertips, could you make sure to press them harder? Not just there, but press actually harder. And to make sure you're doing that, could you make sure you're picking the strings, the relevant strings? And once you get your sound, move on to the next one, if you're getting that. Because to do that correctly, it won't be enough just to move your finger into position. The other fingers have also got to be out of the way and not muting to give you this kind of sound. Now, as well as that, you will have to press your fingertips harder to do this, but if you notice, I'm able to pick very soft. Where you're at in guitar, almost everyone, once they start pressing hard, start picking really hard as well. And even when they get the sound, it's very difficult to listen to it. So you have to be able to press it quite firmly to get the sound and pick very softly at the same time. Sorry, my fingers are just coming to the wrong string there. Do you hear how softly I'm picking that to get the sound? And that will teach you, it will make your two hands independent of each other. At the moment, when you go in heavy, this hand goes in heavy as well. But we need this hand in heavy and this soft on guitar. And to prove that point, if I take a chord, and no matter how heavy I go on this side, see those sound? But if my pressure is correct on this side and I strum it, even softly, do you hear that sound? So the sooner you learn to separate your hands, the better. Because your strumming will usually be quite soft. And if you need volume, the sound engineer, when you're on stage, will turn it up, or you will increase your arm length. I'm very soft here with my strumming, but I'm pressing very hard here. So in your finger exercise, you will pick. And to make sure you're picking correctly, your picking hand will be on the bridge of the guitar. Do you see, do I get my heel pad? Sorry, that's not a good angle. I'll just try to get it for you here. That's a better angle. Do you see, do I'm getting it here? When you're picking, your hand will pull like this. There's a magnetic pull on this hand. And once that happens, you will have to stop. Go back to the start and start your exercise on the other side. And again, pick softly until you get your sound, and you will feel this hand pulling, and eventually you will be able to get the sound at the first attempt, which is what we need in real songs. So there I've done the spider exercise at a much better level. If you watch the two hands from here. Do you hear how clear my sound is and how soft it is? So that when I'm strumming, this will teach your fingertips to apply the right pressure on the side. It's a difficult little exercise, but if you keep at it every day for about a month, it gets easier and easier, and your chords will start to sound better. Instead of this, you start getting this very clean sound. I hope all this helps, and let me know if you have any issues.